Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a question I get all the time. How can I use Zelle internationally? If you're trying to send money across borders, you're in the right place. Let's break this down step by step so you can get the info you need quickly and easily. First off, what's Zelle? It's a super convenient app that lets you send and receive money directly from your bank account, mostly within the United States. It's fast, free for most transactions, and linked to major U.S. banks like Bank of America, Chase, and Wells Fargo. But here's the catch. Zelle is designed for domestic use, so it doesn't officially support international transfers. That means you can't directly send money to someone with a bank account outside the U.S. Now, don't lose hope just yet. There might be some workarounds. If the person you're sending money to has a U.S. bank account, even if they're abroad, you could still use Zelle as long as their account is enrolled. For example, if they're an expat with a US-based account, that could work. However, if their bank isn't partnered with Zelle or they're in a different country, you're out of luck. Always double-check with your bank to confirm any limitations. If Zelle isn't an option, what else can you do? There are plenty of great alternatives for international transfers. Services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, Revolut, or PayPal are fantastic for sending money abroad. They often have lower fees, better exchange rates, and wider global coverage. For instance, with Wise, you can send money to over 50 countries quickly and at a fraction of the cost of traditional banks. Let me walk you through a quick process if you think Zelle might work. Step 1. Ensure both you and the recipient have Zelle-enabled bank accounts. Step 2. Open the Zelle app or website and add the recipient's email or phone number linked to their U.S. account. Step 3. Enter the amount and confirm the transfer. But remember, if it's truly international, skip to those alternatives I mentioned. In conclusion, while Zelle is awesome for US-based payments, it's not your go-to for international use. Always prioritize security, watch out for fees, and choose services that fit your needs. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.